All right, guys, in this video, we're going to look at example one. Our goal here is to sketch a parabola. To do that, we're going to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex. So we'll start off with the axis of symmetry on this first one. Okay, and remember this is x equals negative b over 2a. So really that negative b, the way that we're going to treat that negative b is whatever our value of b is, we're just going to change it and make it the other sign. So to start this out, let's figure out what is a and what is b. So a is the number in front of the x squared term. I don't have one there, so I'm going to put a 1 there because that's what's there. So I have a equals 1. B is the number in front of the x. B is going to be 8. So our axis of symmetry will be negative 8 because it's positive, right? Our b value is positive 8, so we're going to change the sign to negative 8 over 2 times our value of a, which is 1, and negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. We're going to use that negative 4. This is our axis of symmetry, our x. We're going to use that axis of symmetry to come up with the vertex, and the vertex is a coordinate, which means it's an x and a y. So we have our x value, we need our y value. So I'm going to come into the equation, and anywhere I have an x, I'm going to put in negative 4. And I'm going to use parentheses. Those are important because they're going to include the negative sign. So parentheses, negative 4 squared, plus 8, parenthesis, negative 4. So that's 8 times negative 4, plus 15. I'm going to put that all into Desmos or into my calculator, press enter, and I'm going to end up getting back y equals negative 1. So our vertex will be that coordinate, x equals negative 4, y equals negative 1. Okay, and we'll come over here, and now we're going to sketch it. Okay, and sketch it. We'll start off by using our axes. And remember, the horizontal is our x axis, and the vertical is our y axis. We need to go over to negative 4. So on the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4 to the left, and then down 1. So down 1. We'll put a dot right there. And now we're going to ask ourselves, does it open up or does it open down? Well, for that, I just look at my a value. If it's positive, it opens up, and if it's negative, it opens down. So this is positive 1, so it's going to open up. That's what our graph is going to look like. And down the middle at negative 4, that's our axis of symmetry. We want to make sure it kind of keeps symmetric around that line. Now on to part B. In this case, A is negative 1, right? We don't have a number in front of it, but there's that negative sign, so it's going to be negative 1. And B is 10. So we're going to put that into our equation. So we have negative 10 divided by 2 times A, which is negative 1. So we have negative 10 divided by negative 2, which is positive 5. I'm going to put that into our equation, y equals negative, and then in parentheses, 5 squared plus 10 parenthesis 5 minus 23. And if I put all of that into my equation, it comes out to be 2. If I put that all into Desmos, it comes out to be 2. So our vertex is 5, 2. So again, we're going to come over here, create some axes. We're going to do a sketch. We have our x and our y. We're going to go over to x equals 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to y equals 2. put a dot right there. My value of A is -1. It's negative, so it's going to be opening downward. And again, we've got that axis of symmetry going right down the middle. So that's it. That's how you come up with your axis of symmetry, your vertex, and finally a sketch of a parabola. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk. Oh, and here is your try it. So go ahead and try that one out on your own. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk in class.